What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Last week we were talking about habits and how picking up some of those habits can really have an impact on your ability to be successful in whatever it is that you're trying to do. This week we're going to be talking about skills and what are some of those skills that you can pick up that can actually help you achieve success in whatever it is that you're trying to do. So if you're ready, let's get it. So one of the most difficult things to do in today's day and age is the ability to be able to focus. And this is a skill that's super essential for anybody to be able to achieve anything in today's day and age, because it's so easy to get distracted. It's so easy to get our attention go somewhere else as opposed to staying focused on what matters. A lot of times, you may be working on doing something, maybe you're at work on doing something that's important, and you pick up your phone and you start looking at your phone and you get distracted. There's so many different distractions and so many things that can catch our attention that if you don't really work at that and work at staying focused on what it is that you're trying to do, a lot of times, you may think you're putting in work, you may think that you're doing a lot and that you've gotten a lot accomplished, but when you look at it, you really haven't done anything because you haven't been able to really stay focused on doing what it is that you need to be doing, like focusing on the things that matter long enough for you to be able to see any results. So that's a skill that's super essential if you want to be successful, whatever it is that you're trying to be successful. Picking up the ability to focus all our energy, all of our momentum into what it is that we're trying to do. It could be something in the moment, but our ability to be able to focus on that and only that and not let any distractions take away from what we're trying to accomplish can get you a very long way. Now, skill number 2 is that you can pick up today that can really help you with achieving success in whatever it is that you're trying to do. Skill number 2, it's one that I struggle a lot in the past. Not so much. I still struggle with it a little bit here and there, but it's really just courage and having the courage to do certain things. Like, it's not easy for me to be able to do certain things when it comes to recording these videos, but I'm developing my courage in doing this by every single time getting out here and doing it. And it's the same for anything that you're doing in life. Like, having the courage to take those risks, having the courage to have that conversation, having the courage to whatever it is that you're doing, I don't know. Having the courage to take that risk and doing it is something that's super important when it comes to success in anything. Right? In achieving a goal, putting an idea together, having conversations, having tough, difficult conversations, having that courage to be able to say, you know what, I'm gonna step up to the plate. It's super important. And it's another skill that's super beneficial if you're trying to achieve success in whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. Now, a third skill that you can pick up, right, that can be very beneficial for you in terms of what you're trying to do in your success, right, is the ability to follow through, right? So not just making a plan and be like, all right, I did my part, I'd make the plan, right? But it's actually following up that's important. So if you tell somebody, hey, I'm gonna call you next week, I'm gonna give you a call, right? Follow up with that call. Whatever it is that you plan or whatever it is that you said you were gonna do, the follow through, it's what's really important. So developing that skill of being able to follow up with people, follow up with tasks, follow up with chores, whatever it is that whatever it is, right? That ability and that skill to be able to follow through and follow up, it's what's really important, because a lot of times you may miss opportunities just because you didn't follow up. And a lot of times you may find new opportunities that come up because you follow up, because people see that you're somebody that's worth giving a shot, because they see that you're somebody who's focused on what they're trying to do, because they see you're somebody that if you say something, you're gonna follow up with it. So following through is another essential skill that's super important to develop if you really want to be successful. And this goes for anything or whatever it is that you're trying to be success, right? So the ability to, or the skill to focus, staying focused on the task at hand, staying focused on the vision that you have to achieve, right? And then having the courage to actually take the risk, have that courage, right? And then the skill number 3 is the ability to follow through. These are 3 skills that you can use today that can help you achieve success in whatever it is that you're trying to do. So, there you go.
All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm winning till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.